So we built a little logic, we extracted data, we response back data to the client, we configured relationship between HTML and servlet. And what else you can do? What else you can do here? Suppose someone is giving their email address. This is the field to provide or subscribe to some newsletter on any website. So you are giving coding @gmail.com, coding 2, coding 1, and here we don't want to convert into the integer, we have to take it as string value. String value. Let's hide this. So whenever there is a website, suppose you created web application or website where client is giving their email ID, and when they click on the submit button, they have to get responded with the page that says thanks for subscribing our newsletter. What will you do in this case? On the point where you are responding back to the client, sending response back to the client, you can simply respond back, thanks for subscribing our newsletter. And you can also concatenate the email 1 plus 2. Let's run this. Refresh this. We provided our email, submit. We are getting response. Thanks for subscribing for newsletter. And you are getting this email that you have put there. So these are the things that you can do. You can also bind it with conditions like if value 1 dot equal, suppose coding, then this response is going to get printed on the client side, which is welcome value 1. Maybe value 1 is username and this one is password. And operator, if password is dot equal to some type of password, maybe 1 2 3 4. If client is providing this username and password right here, then they are going to get welcomed, and this welcome statement will run. Or else, if both this username and password doesn't match, then they are going to get reflect the message else if, not else, else response back wrong username or password. So we have to give coding and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the request. Let's do that. If we are providing same username and password, then we are welcome coding. This is our name that we provided. If we provide something else, then wrong username or password. But here, what should have to be happened is we didn't have to get this name. Instead, we have been redirected to this page so we can provide a right username and password and get logged in. But here this is not happening. If you provide wrong one, here this is not happening. So how to do that? How to get redirected to this page again if we are not providing right data, or maybe if we want to redirect it to this page explicitly when we are providing right data, that we are going to cover in next video. So stay tuned.